Do you have a smelly garbage disposal? Fix that problem by using Active Brand Disposal Cleaner. They sent me this cleaner so that I could share my experience with this product and give you my honest opinion. So the directions say to be sure the disposal is empty, which I did, and then run a small stream of hot water away from the drain. That's what's happening now. Then you drop in 1 to 2 tablets, and I'm using 2 because I haven't done this before and I figure it probably needs it. Then you continue running the disposal for 1 minute until the foam drains. This penetrates buildup and removes odors and refreshes. It's a powerful foam cleaner for the entire disposal. It helps maintain disposal performance, and it's safe for septic systems if that's what you happen to have. A year's supply comes in 1 box, and that's using a tablet 2 times a month. After cleaning, there's no offensive odor, and it was so fast and easy to clean. I really love this, and I think you would love it too.